Listen up. Listen up. $25. That's what we announced yesterday. A ticket to go to that conference for $25. It's absurd. Except it's not. And here's why. You see, the thing is, when you need community the most is when you're probably a little down on your luck. And the reality right now in our industry is a lot of people are down on their luck. And as somebody who's met thousands and thousands of people over the past decade plus, what I don't want to do is sit here and kind of look the other way and say, there's not a way I could help. There's not a way we could help. There's not a way that this community of people can somehow help one another out in different ways than we have before. And so there's a $25 ticket. It's for you who may be a little down on your luck. Here's an opportunity to get to the place, to find a tribe, to level up, to network, to put yourself in a better position so that you can get the better role or the job you need, or maybe just a little mental release from the bullshit of the everyday. Now look, we still have to pay the bills, we still have ticket goals to meet, we still have all this other stuff. But when I look at what a community should do and how we support one another, we're all not in the same place at the same time. And I need to do a better job of figuring out how we can all come together at those times. Hence the $25 ticket. It affords me this ability that, hey, you paid for the t-shirt, great. Look, they're pretty nice. But at the same token, I know that you're gonna show up so I can plan for space and whatnot. So that's a $25 ticket. Now I know that's not your total cost of coming. You're gonna have to eat. That doesn't include food. You're gonna have to maybe stay somewhere depending upon where you live. But what I am trying to do is take out every excuse you have to not invest in yourself. I built that conference to create a community of people who help one another. Yes, we learn from our experiences. Yes, we network. Yes, we have fun. Yes, we get to just be together every day of the year. But also, when the shit is hard, we also need to be there to reach out our hand and pick one another up. And this may sound a little preachy, maybe some will say it's a little churchy, but every week what I see is somebody who's like, I lost my job, I don't know what to do. The user group that I used to go to is no longer, I lost my tribe. The code camp I used to go to isn't there anymore. And that isn't what we started to do this. We started this to make sure all of those things existed together. It takes sponsors and speakers and attendees and tickets and blah, 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 all the shit. But the reality is, I want you to have zero excuse to invest in you. So what's holding you back? Your boss maybe not let you go? DM me. We'll talk about it. We've got to convince your boss on our site, whatever. No excuse. If you're in a place where you're not down on your luck, but you know people, then help spread this message. I don't have a crack marketing team. It's me. I'm doing this. So I need your help. Help us find sponsors. Help us tell the world. Help us open our arms to those who may be down on their luck and need a little help. Because that is what community is for. And that is why we do this.